What's up YouTube? Pilot Trav here at V-Speeds Aviation, and come with me to wash my airplane. So we're gonna head to the wash rack and we're gonna get it done. All this wind and all this dust that's been flying around and the ash from the smoke, the plane needs washing now. So let's go get it. All right, so the first thing I need to do is open my doors. I have these 3 doors, 2 on the side that go sideways, and then 1 big door that goes up at the top. I need to push open with a stick. And yeah, it's kind of heavy, but this is why we in the gym. And next, I need to pull the plane out. I haven't started her up in a while. Since I'll be flying the next week a lot, might as well get her clean. I need my keys. All right, so now I'm just gonna load the plane up with the bucket and the soap. This in here. Oops. Let's pull her out. Clear left, clear right. Yeah, she's dirty, big time. Thought I had the dust cleared out in my hanger, but I still got some spots where the outside air is getting in. So that's why my plane is getting dusty. And I think I'm gonna leave the hanger open. It should be all right. All right, we're gonna climb into the plane. When I tell you getting into this plane is so small, it's not too bad. It's just hard getting my feet in sometimes. And then when you drop something, it makes it worse. Out of your pocket. Got that. The keys out the door. Keys in the ignition. We're gonna primer it 3 times. Just got brake set. 1, 2, 3. I haven't actually started it in a couple weeks. Master, clear. Started like a charm. All right, I turn on avionics just because. So we're gonna taxi over to the wash rack. I'll show you that. All right, so I'm at the wash rack right now. About to pull out this hose. See, the airplane over there in the run-up. Look like he's about to take off. The run-up for the airport is right here by the wash rack at the end of the runway, 1, 2. The run-up is where we do our engine checks to make sure we're good before we take off. Make sure our engines, our magneto checks, and all the checks that we have on the airplane. Just make sure that is good at the run-up. If we have any issues at run-up, we don't take off, we taxi back and try to figure out the problem. I had an issue one time with my magnetos, which actually runs the engine outside of the electrics, right? And I had to taxi back, but it wasn't a big deal. It was literally our spark plugs, or my spark plugs, but it got fixed fairly quickly. I think in a week, I was able to go fly again, so it wasn't a big deal. It was a big deal, but it wasn't a big deal. So right now I'm putting my simple green plane wash degreaser. I'm gonna mix it with water. I'm gonna wash my airplane. It should be good. Put the water in. About to be go time. Go time, baby. All right, let me close my door. Let me turn this water off too. I don't need it on. So this guy's about to take off. He's taking off and I'm washing my airplane. I would love to go fly right now, but it's a little too windy for this airplane. My other airplane, I could go fly, take off in that, but nah, maybe not today. I think I should have wet my airplane first. It's fine. It's good to wash your plane every now and then. Get all that goop and grime off the plane. Not gonna be a super thorough wash, just a basic wash to get that dust and grime off. This plane doesn't get super dirty anyways, so it's not too bad. Oh man, the plane was dirty, like filthy dirty, so nasty, like black coming off. The wing was the major part, because in the hangar all the dust was just gathering on that. It'd be nice to find the cover for that. Just kind of wrapping up, washing. Camera looks like it's about to die soon, so I don't have much time. But yeah, that's pretty much how I wash my airplane and what I do. Getting all that dust off, I'm gonna cover it up so you'll see the next part of this clip. I cover up my airplane with this cover that goes over the windshield. Keep that from being dusty, so I have to keep washing my windshield before I go fly. Plane to be dirty, but the windshield will be nice and clear for flight. I have to wipe it. That plexiglass cleaner is expensive. But that's pretty much it. That's me washing. That's it. Rinse this off and be done. So that was me washing my airplane. As you can see, she is clean, ready to go, ready to fly, ready to dry. Let's go. Let's bring her on in. Clear left, clear right. Ignition is off. Make sure, just in case. Back, so I don't want a mishap. And let's go. Push, push. Watch your head, watch your head. And that's it. All right, about to put. Yep. That's me, Pilot Trav. Okay. So I'm about to put this cover on. This goes over the windshield so it doesn't get dirty and dusty, so I have to keep cleaning it when I go fly. So it just goes over the windshield and the back window and the doors. You're in my video. You're in my video, Al. Oh, I am? Oh, yeah. I didn't know the camera was on. Yeah, it's on. That's what I'm talking to. I ain't talking to you. You know what I'm doing. So this is this goes over like this and covers the doors and the windshield. And it zips up under. What's that? Do it over again if I was here. Nah, I'm gonna keep it. I don't have to do it over. Just tag this up. Boom, boom. Do you do this side? Bring this down. Bring this over. And then all this does is keeps it protected from all the dust. And there it is. Right after April, I tried to get. That's the cover. Covered it up. Washed it. Put the blankets on top of the wing so it don't get dusty. And that's it. That was my wash day. Thanks for joining. So that was my day. I washed my airplane, my Cessna 150, and just wanted to knock all that dust off. Wanted to put the covers on it so that the dust in the hangar won't cover it up and everything and get it filthy again. So I did all that. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And it was fun. And I wish I would have went flying, but the winds were kind of crazy. So maybe tomorrow I try if the winds ain't crazy, you know. But all right, see you guys.